Hello guys, this is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video, I'm just going to give you an analysis of what is happening with Nifty, what has been happening in the past, where to take the trade and everything. So basically the Nifty has been on this consolidation phase, and the last week has been a little brutal in terms of consolidation, because for the past 8 days it has been falling, right? I mean, continuously for 7 to 8 days it has been falling, and I found that this is the right place to buy. Okay, so I kind of bought it here in this red candle, in this very red candle, and we kind of made a profit here. So the reason why we bought it at this particular area is because of a very simple reason. The risk is the lowest here. Okay, when you buy stocks, I mean the nifty options, you can keep your stop loss very limited. For example, if you deploy 10 lakhs, you can risk 2 lakhs or something. Okay, and your reward would be equivalent of that or more than that. So if you're risking 2 lakhs here at this area, for example, I'm just saying, I'm not trying to calculate in detail, just hypothetically speaking, if you just risk 2 lakhs here, okay, you would have made at least more than 10 lakhs, to be honest. This is the reason why you have to wait for setups like this. Okay, this is the reason why I don't trade often, why I don't trade every day. So I wait for weeks to to catch the big trades like this, where my risk is lowest. This is why I intimated my students, go and buy it in ITM and with a strict stop loss, and I'm very happy to see good profits, 26,000, some 7,000, 1,000, whatever. The profit is entirely subjective to the amount of capital they deployed. And the reason why I'm making this video right now is I hope I upload this video very soon, before the market close or something. Okay, when I intended to make this video, it was at least consolidating. Now it is falling, so this is why I made this video. So since the Nifty has been in the very good rally for the last 2-3 days, people would be trying to buy and jump here for fresh longs, which you shouldn't be doing right now. The best place to buy was here and not here, but your confidence would be very high in this green candle than in this red candle, correct? But you shouldn't be doing that. You should be doing exactly opposite of that. You should be buying here and you should be booking your profits here. I'm not saying it's going down or something. I'm not being bearish here, but it's not a place where you go and buy. Okay, it's not a place where you do a fresh buy here, because where do you keep your stop loss? Behind this place. If you keep a stop loss behind this candle, it's a huge stop loss, and the risk reward is not favorable. Okay, and what am I waiting for? The next move is I'm waiting for this important trend line to break and give a break, a consolidation, and then a move. Okay, so this is what I'm waiting for. Do not take fresh trades. Probably you can look at the stocks, where in certain stocks you might find a fresh breakout or something. Yes, you can play with that, no problem. But as far as Nifty is concerned, do not take a fresh long here at this point. I'm talking about option buying, guys, directional trade. And as far as other stocks are concerned, there could be some opportunity which you can trade. For example, we traded MGL. A fresh breakout happened this morning, and a lot of people made good money. 50,000-60,000 profit, 1 lakh profits also they booked it. If you want to be a part of the community, JFT option community, feel free to visit justfortraders.in or WhatsApp me 8610625691. You'll get all the information. But for now, what I would advise you is, do not take a fresh long. Wait for this breakout. This is when this trend line, when this resistance is broken, you would find all other stocks also to be breaking out, and you can take a trade either in Nifty or in stocks. So the main point of this video is, do not take fresh longs here. The Nifty could consolidate a little bit more and test this trend line and give a good breakout. So I know a few people would be very confident here to go long. Don't do that. Okay, So that is all for now. As far as swing trading stocks, it's just the usual strategy. We wait for the consolidation, we trade, we look at small cap, mid cap, we wait for the breakouts, we book in like 20-30% profit. That's the strategy. There is no change in that as far as swing trading and cash market is concerned. I'm just talking about option buying here, and it kind of paid off, guys. This trade, I was looking after this trade for a very long time, because after this trade I did not allocate huge capital in any of the trade. I did take this breakout and made a profit of 4 lakhs, but after that I did not take any trade. I don't take short trades that often, because the risk reward is not that favorable for me as for my setup. Okay, everyone will have their own strategy and own bias. For me, my risk reward is more favorable in long trades than the short trades. I do take short trades, but I don't allocate much. So yeah, that is it. And also keep in mind that whenever you are long, the probability is in your side. Okay, the odds are in your side. That is why I'm little bit long biased, and it's nothing wrong to be long biased in a bullish index like Nifty. Okay, so yeah, that would be all. The next video could be based on a potential stock. Please make sure to like this video. Once it gets a good number of likes, I will upload the next potential stocks. Okay, as far as the other potential stocks that I have recommended in the past, just make sure to watch that video again and check the stop loss that I have mentioned. None of it is hit, and none of it has passed the criteria that I set. Okay, so make sure to watch that video, because every video I'm getting the same comment: should I hold this stock, should I hold that stock? All I could say is just stick to, if you watch that video without skipping any part, you would understand what's the plan is like, what's the stop loss is like, and what is the criteria for entering the stocks. Okay, that is why I always recommend you to not to skip any part of the video and watch it fully. So please make sure to check those videos, and I'll be coming back again with the potential stocks video, because we are at a good phase again. There are a lot of stocks coming up nicely after a consolidation. So just give me a like, and also let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts, and if you want to trade stocks like this, make sure to join my community as well. There is an offer going on. So thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.